Okay, two things that I wanted to share with you guys today. One, I'm going to go over the sword from Stellar Blade here. I've got a few things that I wanted to let you guys know that I decided to do with that. And then second, I have something planned this summer, a big project that I'm going to start working on that I am very excited about. So for Eve's sword from Stellar Blade here, I have decided to upload it onto Thingiverse, which means it is going to be completely free. But before you hit the link in the description, I want to let you guys know that it is not perfect. There's a lot of issues with it that is going to require just a little bit of extra time, so that way you can get it to look as nice as it does back here. I strongly recommend watching the video that I made specifically for it, so you guys know exactly what you're getting into before you start printing it. With that said, it is still an amazing sword. It's not impossible to make. I just want to let you guys know it does take just a little bit of extra wood filler and sanding to really get it to look smooth and nice. And if you have any questions when it comes to that sword, please message me or comment on any of my videos about the sword, or you can message me directly on Instagram and I will help you as best as I can. Now, with all of the Stellar Blade stuff out of the way, I am very excited to let you guys know I have a big project planned for the next couple of months. So just to share a little bit about me, I have just recently started getting into 3D printing at the beginning of this year at this level of really printing out big props to hang up on the wall or show off. Because of the area that I live in, I haven't really had any chances to go to a convention and show off stuff like this. Or so I thought. At the end of August, there is going to be a convention in the city that I live in. So I decided to get started on a project that is going to be very fun. And it all started with this. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be going as Spider-Man 2099, but this helmet did get me thinking about something a little bit better, in my opinion. Now, just to let you guys know, I am going to continue modeling and working on a few other projects. In fact, I've got a little sneak peek for you here. I know, it is another sword, but this is the sword that I have recently modeled and I am starting to get it all printed. And I want to know if you guys know what this sword is from. In my opinion, this is from a very underrated game. So with that said, I am going to this convention suited up as Iron Man. Specifically the Mark III suit, and I am very excited. I've always dreamed of doing this, and here we are. Not only is it going to be fully motorized on the helmet here, but also the shoulder, the back, the forearms, pretty much everywhere. Now, this might end up being a complete disaster. I might be a bit naive thinking that I can get this done in about 4 months. Except I have had pretty good luck when it comes to all my other projects here. I feel pretty confident. I think I can get it done. Even when it comes to programming and motorizing the mask and all of the other pieces, I feel pretty confident about that too. Within these past few months, I've done a lot of things with 3D printing that I never thought I would be able to do, and I'm getting more and more comfortable with it, and I've learned a lot. So as you saw, I'm already starting with the printing process. I have all of the pieces for motorizing the helmet on its way. It should be here later this week. So the plan is to upload an update video every week to let you guys know whether I've done something big or small. I'm planning on having the motorization video up next week. Hopefully this faceplate will be able to open and close by the push of a button. Ultimately, my goal is to prove that you don't have to know what you're doing to just jump in and learn along the way and come out with an entire Iron Man suit. So that is just about it for this video. I know it's very short, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. So to recap, I have uploaded the 3D file of Eve's sword from Stellar Blade onto Thingiverse. The link for that is in the description below. And I am starting to make an Iron Man Mark III suit for a local convention that I am very excited to show off and keep you guys updated every step of the way. So if you liked today's video, make sure to hit that like button, and to stay updated with all of this stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well, and comment what you think about not only the Iron Man suit and me making that within the next few months, but also about the sword and if you're glad that I uploaded that onto Thingiverse so you guys can all print that as well. Once again, I am very excited for a whole lot of reasons. This 3D printing has really taken me in a direction that I never thought I would be doing at all. But I am loving every step of the way, and I am so thankful for you guys watching my videos, and I hope that you'll really stick with me along this whole process, not only to see the Iron Man suit and how it turns out, but to see a few other things in between, at least until I complete the Iron Man suit. Then I'll work on more projects like this. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.